Hey, hello guys. So guys, again I'm with Scratch. Many of my friends ask me about different types of game on Scratch, so I cannot say no for any of my friend. Okay, so guys, today we are going to create the clicker game. Clicker game means when you click on your sprite, so the score will increase or whatever you want. Just I give you the ideas here in my videos, and after that you can use that idea in your videos. Okay, so guys, let's start now. I am opening the new one, and I remove this cat from here. I take the apple. You can take any of it. I just take apple now, and now I will take the sound. So when the user will click on the apple, there will be the sound. So I will go to sound and I drag this sound here. So now see when I, but now the sound only here. There is no sound when I click on the apple. So what will I do? I will go to events and I will say when this sprite click, when this sprite click, then the sound will appear. Okay, this is the first thing. The next thing, now how the score will generate here. So for the score, as I told you before, we create a variable, we make a variable. So just we will go to the variable and here click on make a variable. Suppose we make a variable for points and then okay. So when you make points, so you can see now that this variable has been generated here. So you will drag it and bring it, sorry, you will bring this change my variable, but not my variable, the points. So when you run your program, so let's see, is it working or no? I click the apple. So I'm clicking the apple and the sound is appearing and the 1 point is generating. Okay, so why 1 point? Because change point by 1. If I want more, so I can make it 5. So now it will increase from 5. But as you can see here, when I stop my game, so still the point is 50. I want to make it 0 when I click on green flag. So means then when I am restarting this game, so the point will be 0. So again I will go to events. I will take this green flag click and I will go to the variables and set my variable any points 0. When I will click on green flag, the score will be 0. Then I will start this because now so you can see it's increasing by 5 numbers because I put it 5. If I make it 1, so again I click on green, it will be 0, and then it by 1, it's increasing by 1. So guys, okay guys, one more thing we can do it here means like when I click on this apple, it will make a little bit bigger. Means like when I click on it, the apple become bigger, little bit, and then again small, like the animation. Okay, so for this, what will I do? I will go to looks and I will take this set size to suppose 120, and then weight means it the size will be 120 set size, and then weight like we can say 0.5 seconds, and after that again the size will be changed into 100. So now you can see when I click on it, the size of the apple is becoming big, and after that it comes on 100 on the original size. Guys, if you want to change the sound, you want to put your sound, so you can do it. How, I will go to the sound and click here. You can take any sound whatever you want, like I like one sound, boom, uh, booping. I like the sound, this one. Okay, so now I come to the code again and I change the sound from here. So now you can see. So you can see now I change the sound also. Now come to the next interesting thing in the game. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we take one orange or any of the fruit or whatever you want. We will put beside the apple, and that orange will be disabled until you don't have 10 points. When you will get 10 points, the orange will be appear, and after that you can buy that apple, and the cost we will write this is the cost, and if you have this cost, then you can buy this apple and it will increase per second your score, point per seconds. So let's see how we will do it. So the first thing, I take one orange here. You can choose any of it. I am just taking orange. So suppose this one, I put it here. I make it big. Again, I'm saying I just give you the ideas and you can use these ideas in your games. Okay, so I think 150 will be better. Now this, but this is not disabled. We can see it, so we can use the ghost effect on this. But before this, we will go to the costume and we will write here. So here I click on the text and I write here how many points, after how many points this apple the player can buy. So I will say the cost will be 10 points, and also how many, if the player buy this orange, so how many points he will get per second. So I say rewards 1 point per second. So I make it small because it was too big. You can change the size before and do this. One point. Okay, we come here in the code and we will make one more variable, points per second, automatically point. Okay, so now as I told you, we can make the ghost effect. So in the looks, we change the color effect. Here we take this and change into ghost effect. So this orange will be in ghost effects and we make it 60. Okay, so now you can see I set the ghost effect to 60. Also we take from here clear graphic effects, but we will use it, but first we will take the if condition, because we have to put the condition if the point will greater than 10. So I take this if condition, and from the operator I take this if this will be greater than 10. Sorry, the point less than 10. Where is the point? We will take the variable points. If the point less than 10, then what will happen? Okay guys, there is one thing we have to take the if and else. So sorry, I am taking again if else. I'm going there, and again in the variable, in the operator I am saying if the points will be less than 10 points. From where I will take it, I will go there in the variables, I will take points. If the points will be less than 10, then set the ghost effect to 60. Otherwise the clear graphic effects is more than 10, so it will be enabled, yani clear graphics effects. We check now, we click here. Now our point is, see, but before this also one thing we have to do it, we have to put this inside the forever loop. We take this and we put this forever, and when it will start work, when I will click this green flag. So you see, now we have the point 0, but when the points become 10, it's highlighted. And now I will purchase, when I will click on this orange, so automatically points will be changed. How? Now I will show you. So I hope this is clear. Always it will check this condition. The player has less than 10 points, the orange will be disabled. But once the, see, now 0, it's disabled. But once the points will be uh, 10 or greater than 10, it will be appear, because we said less than 10 means if the player has 9 points, it will not highlight it. Okay, so now you know, when we click this 9 and 10 will, my point will be 10, then this apple or this orange, I can buy it. Now you can see, and the cost of the orange, as I wrote it, it's 10 points. Okay, so what will I do? So now we have to make the coding on the orange, and when this orange will be highlighted, yani the orange will be bright, and when the orange will be bright, when we have 10 points. Okay, so now what will I do? I will go there in events. When this is right click, then what will happen? I will go to if condition, I take this if and else, and here I will say if the points from the variable, I will take the points, I cannot put it, I will take operator. If the point is less than 10, then nothing will be happen, because if I have the point 10 points, then I can buy this orange, and this orange will be bright. Okay, so we leave it as it is, because if the less than 10, nothing will be happen. But when the point will be 10 or more than 10, so what will happen? There will be the sound. I put else the, suppose I take this sound, okay, and I go there in variable and change this points. And because I will buy this apple, so 10 points I will give to this orange, because this orange for 10, the cost of the orange is 10 points. So when I will buy this orange, that means this 10 point should delete from here, and I will buy this orange. So I will say it will be deduct minus 10, and it will change this with 1 point. Are you getting? Yani here will be 1 point. So now let's start. See, now there is 0. When one more thing here, when I click green flag, so the points was 0, I say the automatically point per second also it will be 0, because this where is it, set automatically point will be 0. Okay, so once I buy, see, so the amount what I spent for this orange, when I have 10 points, so now 10 points I have it, so this will be bright, and we have 1 point, we spent the 10 points, we means we bought this orange with the 10 points what we earned. Is that clear? Okay, but now it's not changing the 3, now 2. Okay, now again the point 3. Okay, so what will happen if I have 2 or 3 or 4? So if I have 3, so 3 times my points will be increased. If we have 2, so 2 times it will be increased. 5 times increase. How? So what will we do? Now we have to take one sprite. So we go to the Apple and we say, when I press this green flag, then forever wait 1 second, and after that change the points by 1. Let's see what will happen. See, this is the first time 10 points I use it, and it's increasing one number after 1 second. Okay, now I again purchase it, so 2. Now again I purchase 3. So are you getting my point? If we have 3, so 3 point will be add. If you buy 3 oranges, the 3 points will be added. If you buy 4 oranges, 4 points will be added. If you have 1 orange, so 1 point will be added. I make this, I click on the screen flag. Now see, it's 1 point, it's moving. Suppose I stop, after 1 second it's moving 2 or 3 or 4. So 10 points I buy this, now we have 1. Now again the points will be the second orange I will buy, and there is 2. So what I need, if I have 2, so 2 numbers will be increased. Okay, so what I can do here, instead of 1, I say automatically point per seconds. So now if I have 2, so 2 will be added here. I play. See, this time I will buy the first orange, So now I am dragging this and put it here. So now you can see I play this and the numbers are moving here. So here now you can see what I did it. When this green flag click forever, wait 1 second and change point by automatically points per second. Whatever I have automatically points, it will increase these points. Like if we have 2, so it will add 2 more points. If we bought 3 oranges, it will add 3. If we bought 10 oranges, so it will add 10. Suppose now let's see. This is the first one. I have it. Now see, it's increasing by 1. Now when I buy again, now it's increasing by 2. Now it's increasing by 3. So you can use any of the sprite for this. I hope you got this game or got this idea. You can use with different sprite with different background and different cost. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you have any other ideas, so please comments me in the comments box, or if you personally want to learn something special, so you can send me message or you can put in the comment box. So again I will say, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.